everyone! Today we're doing how to clean microwave hack that I saw here on Facebook. This is of course my microwave. It's really dirty. And here's what we need. Water. And then you add lemon. And then after adding lemon, you just put it in the microwave for about 5.5 minutes. It says 5 minutes, but I did mine 5.5. And then after you microwave it, you just start wiping. It comes off afterwards, but I'm just not completely satisfied on just wiping it. So what I did, I add dish soap. I use Dawn, and then I use sponge and scrub it. Not too hard. And then this is the finished product. Yep. Ta-da! It's not perfect, but it's clean. And I'm happy. Thanks for watching, guys.